Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 30, 2024. 4 star Sudoku. Second grade, we have 213. So 213 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Fifth grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then in column F, 3 numbers are remaining. 148, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 6, 7, 9. It will come in one of these cells. First row and third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 138, it will come in one of these cells. Ninth row, we have 198. So 198 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, column D, 3 numbers are remaining. 479, it will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, column D, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Ninth row, we have 1, 3, 5, 8. The 4 number can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 4 cells. We'll confirm later. Then column B, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 9th row, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C, column B, we get pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 1, 8. Column A, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 8. Seventh grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then we can confirm 1 also here. Column A, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 9, 7. Seventh grade. And fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, And first row we have pair numbers 365. So 365 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Sixth grade we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining 3 and 5. Fourth row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column H, two numbers are remaining 2 and 8. First row and third grade we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Column I, first row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. And then 5 is confirmed here. First row and second row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. And third row, two numbers are remaining 1 and 8. Third grade we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second grade, two numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, two numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, sixth row, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Fifth row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row, two numbers are remaining 1 and 7. Column I we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sixth grade, two numbers are remaining 4 and 8. Fifth row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then sixth row, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, two numbers are remaining 5 and 7. Column C we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade and sixth row, only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column B, two numbers are remaining 5 and 8. Second row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. First grade, two numbers are remaining 1 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C and seventh grade, two numbers are remaining 3 and 4. Ninth row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Ninth row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Eighth row, two numbers are remaining 8 and 9. Column I we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. The ninth row, ninth grade, only one number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I we have 9. So 9 can't come in this line is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. First row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this line is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second grade, two numbers are remaining 1 and 4. First row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.